Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom webhook in make.com. Let's get started. First, go to make.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will make a new scenario. In this next page, click on this plus icon and this side menu will appear. At the bottom of this menu, search for custom webhooks, then click on the webhooks option. Next, click on the custom webhook option. After that, in this next side menu, just click on create a webhook right here. Lastly, in this new side menu, just type in a name for your custom webhook and click on save down here to save your changes. And that is how you can create a custom webhook in make.com. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.